Hello and welcome to another video from CBits Tech. This is where I left off on the last cassette video, and this is yet another eBay unboxing of new old stock Type 1 cassettes. As you can see, I really don't need to be buying any more cassettes, but I do like a bargain and I do like the experience of ordering cassettes. Shopping for bargains for cassettes on eBay. I've got to be careful because the address label is still on here. And I do like shooting. This is my hobby, shooting, using cassettes and shooting videos about it. But I haven't got unlimited supply of funds, and I think I might have a bit of a hoarding habit. So thinking I might have to be selling some. But if I can get good, if I can buy them cheap and sell them even a little bit of profit and enjoy the experience of doing that, then that's a perfectly good way to spend your time as a hobby. It's not like I'm buying expensive fishing rods or going go-karting once a week like I used to, which was very expensive. So let's get this open without further ado, as they say. I'm not going to be asking. I had a break from making videos, and the old school asking for subscribers, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, blah blah blah. I'm not doing that anymore. I figure that you're probably smart enough to know that if you like the videos, subscribe and what have you. I do have a Patreon. If you want to buy me a coffee once a month, you can sign up on the Patreon. Actually, currently there's the minimum amount Patreon will accept is my lowest tier. So if you want to show appreciation, you want to put money in the kitty for my coffee fund, then there's always a link in the video description. But I'm going to have to blank that out because I've just shown the address label. But I'm not going to be doing all of the YouTube cliches anymore about asking for asking for likes and subscriptions and stuff. So this is this box. I've lost track of what is in what box. It's all a bit muddled, this video. Let me look it up on eBay. So I do have a couple of Raks cassettes, but they're used and they're manky basically. They've had it. I'm not sure about the quality on them, so we'll have a look at that. Yeah, not brilliant, is it? So we can get that in the shots properly. There we go. So I saw these come up. I think Raks are quite good. Don't know much about them really, but I think they're quite good. But they're not really high end, especially the DX90 ones. And I paid £9.71 including postage for these, so it was £6.85 including eBay buy protection, and the rest was postage. So got a pretty good deal. So they look a bit boring, really, don't they? But let's open one up and have a look at it. So that must be on the case inside it. So that's what I'm going to do if I've got some unusual cassettes and I've got more than one, because I do intend to be using these. Some of them I might sell on, but if I'm not, if I've never owned a cassette of its type before, I just want to have a look and see what it's like. So I'll shoot unwrapping videos for those. I've lost my thing. There it is. So it always was quite difficult to get into cassettes, wasn't it, back in the day, and now, of course. Oh, we didn't look at the packaging, so we'll do that in a second. One thing at a time. There we go. So that one just lost half its value. Oh, are they the same ones? Oh, they're the same ones. That's quite handy then. All right, so let's have a look. So we've got the individual packaging upside down. There we go. Low noise tape. Lots of graphs and stuff, some data, or like a bit of data, don't we? Okay. Pause the video and you can have a read of that. Same old really, isn't it? Okay, so that's that packaging. Let's look at the 5-pack and see if that's any different. Probably just the same, exactly the same in a different layout. Not a lot on the ends. Anything on the ends of these? No, not really. So let's have a look at the one I've just opened. There it is. Right. Pretty boring stuff, really. labels. I don't tend to put these labels on. I use either Dymo labels or the old style impression ones or the new style heat sensitive ones with the white tape, or sometimes clear tape. Pretty boring J card, must admit. Not very exciting. I suppose you could flip that over so you can see it in the cassette like that. Well, that's pretty uneventful, wasn't it? But I don't know what they record like. If you want to know, I'm pretty sure that Cassette Comeback or Cassette Comeback Archive, I think he's renamed his channel, will be able to comment on that. Look for a YouTube video on how good they are. So the tape is not packed very well there, but they are brand new. So right, that is it. So I'm going to move on to the next one. I've actually got a wedding reception to go to today, but I'm ploughing on making all these videos. I think I've got 5 videos I'm making today. I might as well finish them all because I need to organise all my new old stock cassettes and put them in storage boxes ready for when I need to use them. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.